Everyone, let me show you this project that I'm going to do. This is a sanding and refinish hardwood flooring. This is the main level that's going to be sanding. This is the family room, dining room, kitchen, staircases, handrail, post. So this is a project that's going to be finished in 2 days. So I'm going to do something dark in the floor. Either way, I have to do some sample for the customer. So let me show you the process. So I'm gonna start doing the Hummel. I'm going to use the Hummel 36 grit. I start doing the sanding and refinish with the 36 grit. Then I have to do some wood putty in the flooring. So this is wood putty. I fill everything. And then I use the edger machine in the areas that the Hummel doesn't sand in. So then I start doing one more Hummel drum machine. Now it's gonna be with the 80 grit. Then I do some sample for the client. So she told me that she wants something like no lighter, no dark, so like in the middle. And then she chose the dark walnut. So I start doing the stain with the buffer. Start doing the stain with the buffer everywhere, and in the corners I do by hand, like that. Yes. So that's the process that I do. Then I have to do some sealer. I start doing some sealer for the hardwood. Then one causa polyurethane. One polyurethane. And I left 2 hours dry, and it's almost ready to do the final coat. So look at that. That's gorgeous. Yes. Look at that. Looks good. So let me do the buffer to make everything smooth, and then the final coat. I do the buffer with the 1000 screen, 1000 grit. Yep. And let me show you the result. I got a picture. That's the final coat, polyurethane. I still using water based. That's better for me. It's healthy and it's easy to apply. Look at that picture.